The rainy season has commenced in the part of the country with a mixture of the good, the bad, and sometimes the ugly, all like states in the southern parts of the country that witness early commencement of rains. The same cannot be said of the northern part. The season brings more life to nature. To animals, the flora and fauna signifies abundance to eat, while to humans an opportunity to produce one of the basic necessities of life, food. However, in what appears to be nature turning against man, the heavy storms associated with season, especially at the beginning, is widely felt by the people. Such storms normally leaves destruction of property, such as houses, public infrastructure like electric poles, communication masts, and at times, lives in their wake. An incident that occurred in Maobelwa recently is one among many in this state. The effect of this on the economy is colossal. Although the phenomenon is natural, how it can be mitigated, Dr. Sani Shalangwa, an environmentalist, is of the view that environmental impact assessment should be carried out before embarking on building of houses for people to know the materials to be used.
The impact assessment that the environment normally carry out on houses is to make sure that the location of the house is in an environmentally friendly area where natural disaster would not easily affect the house. It is normally stated that a house that is built on a rock will stand longer time than a house that is built in a sandy area.
While the planting of trees serve as windbreaker is a measure, protecting the existing ones is another. More to this is the need for people to imbibe the habit of knowing the weather forecast and predictions usually made by NIMET about rainy season every year.
In fact, if NIMET should predict there's going to be excess rainfall or there's going to be thunderstorm in Adamawa, what is the way forward? If we are talking about electric poles now, the PHCN, and that's NEPA, former NEPA, what do they intend to do? Is to what? Is to put their men on alert, so that any destruction that occurs, they will what? They will be there. There should be a response team to react immediately.
In the case of wind, mostly you cannot stop wind. There are some areas that when the winds blow, the winds depends on the scale. It can be a hurricane, but you know, usually a hurricane is the largest windstorm. So houses, when people are building their houses, they're supposed to maybe look for the right thing, look for the right people that knows how, so that the buildings, the infrastructure should be strong to be able to withstand that type of wind.
Kelda Yaduma.